Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quinoa in a rice cooker. First, measure out 1 cup of dry quinoa. It's crucial to rinse your quinoa well before cooking. Place it in a fine mesh strainer and run cold water over it for about 1 minute or until the water runs clear. This simple step removes a natural coating called saponin, which can give quinoa a bitter, soapy taste if not washed away. Next, prepare your rice cooker. For best results, lightly grease the inner pot with a tablespoon of oil, like coconut or olive oil, to prevent the quinoa from sticking. Then, transfer your well-rinsed quinoa into the greased pot. Now, for the liquid. A general rule is 2 cups of water or broth for every 1 cup of dry quinoa. This ratio ensures perfectly cooked, fluffy grains. Once your quinoa and liquid are in the pot, close the lid tightly. If your rice cooker has a white rice setting, choose that option. Otherwise, simply press the cook button to start the process. The cooking time can vary slightly depending on your specific rice cooker and the amount of quinoa, but it generally takes about 15 to 30 minutes for the quinoa to be fully cooked. When the rice cooker switches to its keep warm setting or finishes cooking, resist the urge to open the lid immediately. Let the quinoa rest for about 10 minutes with the lid still on. This crucial step allows the grains to steam and absorb any lingering moisture, resulting in a light and fluffy texture. Finally, open the lid and gently fluff your perfectly cooked quinoa with a fork, ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.